Racing just started with a Brazilian babe. Break quickly at the start as he could and get his Zaria Stormtrooper. Next on line is Dakara while mapagtiis is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader and going along for the first turn. We have Brazilian babe by our head and on the outside as he could joining them is Zengeri. 4 lengths further back in fourth comes Stormtrooper Dakara moving for the outside while mapagtiis is still racing and less than as they swing down the back. We have Engedi now takes command by our head. Down on the inside is Brazilian babe as Sikuda. Dakara now trying to get closer in fourth. Down on the inside tip is Stormtrooper while mapagtiis is still racing and less than the far turn. Brazilian babe once again takes command. Engedi is on the outside second, 5 lengths further back in third comes Stormtrooper as Sikuda. Dakara comes next and mapagtiis and as they swing for home Brazilian babe by our length and on the outside Engedi but it's still Brazilian babe. Engedi's on the outside, Brazilian babe, Engedi's on the outside but it's still Brazilian babe, Engedi's on the outside and finally it's Brazilian babe. Engedi, Stormtrooper, mapagtiis, Dakara, and Sikuda.
2613.
Yes, insan. Sabi ni Jay.